Welcome everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and hit that little notification bell so you get notified every single time I'm here. I'm here Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So want to welcome you if you're new. And yeah, let's get started, guys, with another day, another beautiful opportunity to kill it in the market. So let's take a look at what I'm looking at right now. US 30, I was looking at some sells. So luckily price actually went in our favor, as you guys could see all my notes here. Yeah, we were looking at some nice bearish sentiment overall. So let's take a look here, guys. So price did actually push down further. Yesterday I did notice this double top formation. Even on the 30-minute, you can kind of see it a little bit. Price rejected it, came back, failed, went down further. This alone, yeah, like it melted. Let's go. Another day, morning mindset. It's all about changing your mentality, guys, and knowing that you always have to be positive. You know what I mean? You always got to think ahead and always look at the positives. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ as well. Staying within this range right now, but it's still bearish. Was still bearish at least. All right, guys. So I'm just giving you 1 second. We're just settling in. So I'm just going to bear with me, guys. Stay here with me. I'm just going to get the description filled in on the live stream. And we'll dive in shortly. We'll let some people join us as well too, guys. So just bear with me. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, comment below if you enjoy me doing these videos. I really appreciate it. That way, at least I know almost done, guys. I'm just filling this information on the description for the video. Just want to welcome everyone that's just joining us right now, guys. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate having you. Another day, guys. Another day. Gotta love matcha, man. So good. So healthy for you too, guys. It's always good to do things that are good for your health, you know what I mean? Just makes you feel good overall. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get this bread and butter. Woo! Yo, this music's a vibe, man. It's not my style, but it's a vibe. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, it's a vibe, man. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Welcome, welcome, everyone that's just joining us right now, guys. Welcome. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Live trade. Live trade. Okay. All right, guys. Just finishing up here. Welcome, everyone that's just joining us, guys. Welcome, welcome. We are live every single day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. So welcome, welcome. Happy to have you guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those of you that are just joining us right now, welcome to the channel, guys. So we're just about to start shortly. Just waiting for more people to join us. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Take a look at GJ right now. So it seems like GJ is just holding this heavy level of support here, guys. So something to keep in mind, this is actually a much more significant level of support. So if we are going to see some sort of like sells or anything like that, we have to keep in mind that this level is quite significant. So, if we're going to expect some sort of like break here, expect some heavy momentum, and then we can expect some sort of a retest here, and then we can start looking for sells. But as of right now, like I mentioned earlier, this week we are looking at a range. So GBP JPY is ranging right now, guys. So just keep that in mind, right? We can trade and find many trade opportunities the way we've done in the past, right? Obviously, I've cleared the charts because it's much cleaner that way. That way, we can kind of look at just basic market structure, and that's just a cleaner way of looking at things, right? So, yeah, if you guys have any questions, guys, I'm going to be going over the charts. I just want to wait for more people to join us in the meantime. If you have any questions, guys, just comment it below in the chat box. If you want me to go over something, I'd gladly do that as well. Let's go back to the daily. This is GJ. Got some support within this level here. We're talking short-term range. Yeah. Let's take a closer look. So the 4-hour overall direction, I mean, we did get this rejection here at the bottom price. It is this bottom level. We could see that it is a significant level of support. So we could expect price to slowly start pushing upwards, but I'm not looking for any buys anytime soon. If we go down to the 1 hour, sorry, that was a little loud. If we go down to the 1 hour, let's take a look here, guys. I kind of want to see price break through at least this level here before I start looking for buys, guys. So once we start seeing price break above these levels, we can start let's leave here in the notes, look for buys above this key level. Welcome, guys. For those of you that are just joining us, welcome. Let's go. New day. Today's a new day. Welcome, guys. For those of you that are just joining us, we're just going over GBP JPY right now. And I may be going over a couple other trades I've been looking at. But if you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe below. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's change up the music a little bit. Live music.
Flying abroad from Canada can get expensive, so cheap flights to compare prices to find out low fare.
Yes, Canada is expensive. There's just so many ads, guys. There's like double ads now. Jeez. There we go. Just chill music too. All right, yeah. So I'm not going to be looking for any buys until price breaks above this level. And then, like I said, because this level of support on GJ is pretty significant, I'm not looking for any sells right now either. So there's no trade right now. Yeah, there's no trade right now, guys, for GJ. So until we don't break these lows here, I'm not looking for any buys right now. I'm not looking for sells either. Welcome, guys. What a beautiful day. A little bit sunny, a little bit cloudy, blue skies here in Canada. Comment below where you guys are from. I'd love to hear from you guys. Every day is a new opportunity, guys. Every single day is a new opportunity. So if you had a bad day yesterday, it's all good. Today's a new day. Got to have a positive mindset. It's always important to have a positive mindset, guys. Be thankful and grateful for what we have. You know what I mean? Look at the positives always, you know what I mean? And be blessed. All right, guys. So, yeah. So that's GJ for now. Let's just keep an eye on it. I mean, I don't really see a trade, to be honest with you. So I don't want to trade the market or force a market in any single way. I mean, some people like to kind of force trades. I don't like to personally force trades because that's just not the way trading should be. So yeah, no trade here. And we just got to keep an eye on this area here for buys. Let's take a look at this indicator. 4 hour. All right, so let's start with another pair, guys. In the meantime, while we let price do its thing, let's take a look at USD JPY. Let's go up to the 4 hour. Always want to look at the bigger picture, guys. Right? We always want to look at the bigger picture. All right, so USD JPY. We know that the US dollar has been strong. Okay, we know that. We how do we know this stuff, guys? Like, we look at the news, right? We always it's always good to be aware of it, right? But don't trade. I'm not saying trade the news, but just be aware of like what's going on, right? Your surroundings and stuff like that. Because as a trader, you always want to make sure that we are trading currency pairs, and so that's what kind of moves price, right? Obviously, we trade technical analysis, right? We trade what we see, but it's always important to know kind of what's the reason, what's the reason behind it, what's pushing price, right? So that's really important, guys, to make sure. So let's take a look at USDJPY. We are on the 4-hour chart right now, currently, and so what we always want to do is we always want to look at price. Either price will be going up, or price will be going down, okay, or sideways, okay. So we're looking for the overall direction. What is the market currently telling us? Is price going on an upwards trend? Is price going on a downwards trend? Or is price consolidating or ranging, moving sideways, right? So once we figure that out and we understand kind of what the market is currently doing, we are then able to understand how to go about looking at the markets, looking at the charts, and trying to tap into a trade on a lower time frame. Now, with USDJPY, we have been seeing some strong overall sentiment, bullish sentiment for the pair. US dollar has been really, really strong, obviously, against the Japanese yen. So what I'm looking at here is that it's reached a key level of resistance here. Not only that, we've been seeing a pretty strong push to the upside. So we've been seeing that, a strong bullish sentiment. And so I'm honestly expecting some sort of an exhaustion. I'm expecting price to actually kind of pull back, potentially to around these levels here eventually. When, not too sure when exactly, but this is kind of the level I'm expecting price to slowly or eventually kind of pull back to before breaking these highs over here and having some sort of a continuation. So we do see some bullish sentiment overall. And so we want to see how price is going to react at this key level. And you can see that price is reacting to it. It's not pushing any further. After a strong push like this, we can expect price to pull back. Now, obviously, we can look at the 1 hour. We can kind of start looking at what price is doing. Price is forming some sort of like a double top formation here on the 1 hour. You can see you can see two candlestick formations, 1, 2. You can see price has rejected. Price broke below, and now is retesting these lows here. And we can kind of like put like a line, or like we could here. We could just delete that. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those of you that are just joining us, guys. Happy to have you. Happy to have you. Yeah, so we could draw it like that. So now what we want to see is for sells, we want to see price break below this level here before we start getting into any sells. So in the meantime, it's just ranging. So price is literally just ranging within this zone here. We don't want to be really getting into trades here. We might be able to start looking for sells around this level here. We could start looking for sells around here, but we got to break these lows here. The problem is that we're also going to, once price breaks these lows here, we're also going to face these lows here. So you see this double bottom here? We're also going to have to face that, right? So once price breaks there, we have a free range here where price can go all the way back down, right? And we can get some good pips. Something to keep in mind, right? Some people don't understand why price stays a certain way or whatever, and that's the reason why, or like, why price doesn't fully go all the way down right away. It's important to keep that in mind, guys. Yeah, so welcome. Those of you that are just joining us. This is USDJPY. We can start looking for sells below. Anything below, again, this level and this level. I'm going to put some notes here. Look for sells below this key level. wait for break. For break of this level. Level 4, bearish sentiment. Bearish sentiment. Welcome, guys. If you're just joining me, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I really appreciate it if you hit a like as well, too, guys. It helps with the algorithm and lets me know as well that you are enjoying this video and that you do enjoy these videos and you find them helpful. So thank you so much for the support. So yeah, guys, that's what we're looking at for USD JPY. We've got good potential setups. Again, right? We looked at the overall direction, right? Look at the 4 hour, right? What is price potentially going to do, right? Trading's all about probabilities, guys. What's the probability that price is going to go down? What's the probability that price is going to go up or just continue ranging, right? So we want to understand the overall direction. Once we understand the overall direction on the higher time frame, we are then able to narrow it down, right? So now we understand the overall direction of the price, right? What it could potentially do, because we don't know for sure, right? But we could start like looking for trades below here, right? Again, this is the 4 hour, so it looks a little bit, you know what I mean? And here, right? And so on and so on and so forth until we get to this level that I mentioned here. That could be a level of significance where price could react, right? So once we start getting that confirmation, we're like, okay, price broke here, this level. Okay, now the overall bearish sentiment, the overall direction is changing, and we see price break these lows here. We can then expect a clean move to the downside and start looking for sells on the pullbacks, right? So do you guys understand that? Let me know in the comments below in the chat box if you understand what I'm explaining, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. All right, let's take a look at gold. Gold was a trade that I cleaned my charts just to show you guys. It's just much better, right? It's much cleaner anyways. But if you guys look at my previous live streams, you'll be able to see how we were able to profit immensely with gold out of a prediction I was looking at. Like you guys can see my live streams and videos where I explain what I was looking at with gold and kind of what and how I knew price was going to be selling, right? So we were looking for shorts. Okay, so as you saw, obviously we saw that price I created this sort of like a wedge. I saw price was doing that. Price broke below. And then it broke this previous low here. Price was kind of retesting it and then melted. Typically, price will go down to the bottom of the wedge. That's where it'll meet price. But gold was really, really bearish at this point. So we saw price go below further. Now, gold is at a level that I'm kind of expecting a potential kind of like a double bottom formation or a range until either price breaks below and we continue looking for sells kind of within this range over here. Or we start looking at price changing its overall sentiment and start kind of pulling back up. So right now, gold is not really, I don't really see a trade with gold either. So not today, not right now at least. Yeah, so you can see gold is just ranging. Do you guys see the range, what I'm talking about? Like, look. It's just ranging. It's not doing anything. And you don't want to be trading a range right now. You see the importance of being able to just kind of spot it out, right? Like before I'd be like, oh, like, you know, when I first started, like, oh, I can kind of see price pulling up here. Oh, look, this candle, strong momentum. And no. If there's no trade, guys, there's no trade. Simple as that. And if we missed it because London was like, you know, melted or whatever, it is what it is. there's always opportunities in the markets to be able to profit, right? So you just got to learn patience too, right? Patience is important, right? So everyone's quiet this morning. Guys, comment below in the chat box. Want to hear from you guys. Appreciate you guys joining. Let me know in the chat box where you guys are from. Happy to have you guys join us. Or join me, because it's just me. It's me and the wife, but I mean just me right now. Oh shoot, one sec. Welcome, guys. Welcome, those of you that are just joining us on the channel. Happy to have you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials at Pedro FX Official on Instagram, also on Twitter. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, yeah, so gold right now is ranging, guys. So you can see prices just kind of ranging within this these levels here. So I'm not looking for any trades right now with gold. We'll keep an eye on it. So if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. I appreciate it. It helps the channel as well if you find these videos helpful. Okay, so let's take a look at GJ. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, so we already looked at GJ. So we're looking for buys, anything breaking above this level. So right now we're not looking at buys. So GJ doesn't look like it's got any trade or anything. So comment below, guys. I want to hear where you guys are from. If you're new to the channel as well, let me know. Happy to have you guys here. All right, let's take a look at GBP odd. So this we've obviously, if you look at my previous live stream, guys, if you guys are new, you'll be able to see kind of like our track record and be able to see kind of what we've done together. You know, I try to provide as much value as possible to all my subscribers and all my viewers. So yeah, if you're new, welcome. All right, guys, so let's take a look at GBP odd. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. We want to understand the overall direction of the market. Okay. Just kind of draw out these key levels here. All right, so there's no trade right now. But the overall, yeah, like we need to see price break this level here, these lows here, before we start looking for any sort of buys. We did see some bearish sentiment come in through here. We were able to we got in a couple trades here. If you look at my previous live streams, but let's take a look at what we can expect. So yeah, we could start looking for buys after we break these lows here. You can see that it is an area or a level of significance. This is where price has reacted in the past, guys. So we are looking on the 1 hour right now for GBP odd. For those of you guys that are just joining us, welcome. Welcome to our live stream, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button as well, guys. Appreciate it. All right, guys, let's take a look here. Let's take a look at what price is doing. Appreciate all the support, guys. Appreciate you guys liking the video as well. And if you're new, join us. We're here every single day, guys. 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yes, let's go. All right, guys. So I'm going to put here in the notes. So we're going to look for buys, anything above this level here. So look for potential buy setups, break of this level. Obviously, you guys know that I always recommend a trade with the trend. You don't want to be trading in a range market like gold, right? So you don't want to be doing that, guys. We don't want to be trading gold right now because it's just kind of ranging, right? We want to be trading a trend. So you want to be trading when price is going downwards or when price is going on an upwards trend, not a consolidation. You want to get out of consolidation. And if you're going to be looking at trades in consolidation, you want to be looking for breakouts, right? Breakouts to either the downside, right? So let's say this is, for example, a key level here, right? And sorry, let's explain it here. Let's say this is a range, okay? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those of you that are just joining us. So we're going to look for when price is just ranging within this zone here. We're going to look for breakouts, right? And I'll give you guys an example, kind of like what it could look like. So price is just kind of ranging, whatever, right? What we want to see is we want to see price break like this. Break, pull back, and continuation, right? Same thing with the bottom, right? We could expect either a break to the upside or a break to the downside, right? When price is ranging. So that's something to keep in mind, guys. So anyways, yeah, so we'll take a look at a couple other trades in the meantime, guys. If you are finding these videos helpful, please let me know in the comments, in the chat box. Do you find it helpful? I really appreciate it. That way I know. And don't forget to subscribe as well and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I'm live. I am here every single day, guys. Every single freaking day. All right. Also, toy. We've got bro, please. USDJPY. Absolutely, man. Let's take a look. Let's see what USDJPY is doing. I believe we already kind of looked at this pair. So yeah, I looked at this already this morning. So wait for break of this level for bearish sentiment. Obviously, we're not getting that right now. You can see that price formed some sort of like a double top formation here on the 1 hour chart. So that's good. And then we saw price break below. We need to see price break below these lows before I can start expecting sells. If price does not break these two lows here, then I'm not looking for any sells for USD JPY, and I'm not looking for any buys until price breaks these highs here. So I'm actually going to leave some notes here too as well. Not look for buy setups on break of this level. One sec. So look for buy setups break of this level after retest, after break and retest. Right? I always leave these notes, guys, because that way it's good to look back as reference. But until we don't break this high, these highs here, or these lows, if we break these lows, we can start looking for overall bearish setup. Like I put here, look for sells below this key level. That's why I put these here on the right hand side as an example. And then if we start getting like some strong bullish sentiment and we see a break of these highs, then what we want to do is wait for price to pull back to this level and use it as a support before we start looking for any buy setups. I hope that's helpful. Nashrin, hello, sir. Don't call me sir, bro. What's going on? Joking. What's going on, man? Welcome. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Happy to have everyone that's just joining us, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy to comment below in the chat box. All right. So yeah. So we were looking at USD JPY. GBP odd. Look for potential buy setups, break of this key level. In the meantime, we're not really looking for anything for GJ right now. We have to break these lows before we start looking for any buys. And then also, if we do see price come back up here and reject, so then we can actually start looking for potential sell setups to this. And our first TP1 could be this level here. Once we see some sort of rejection here at this level, we can start looking for potential sells as well. So that is a possibility as well too, because maybe GBP odds not done yet, right? So something to keep in mind, guys. It's always important to keep that in mind as well too, right? So there's different probabilities when it comes to trading the markets. But yeah, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at PedroFX Official, as well as PedroFX Official on Twitter. And don't forget to join my Facebook group, Blessed Traders Live Academy. It's absolutely free, guys, to join. I try to provide as much value as I can, guys. And I honestly, the whole purpose of this channel is just to help you guys out. Because when I first started trading about 6 years ago, I had no one to help me. And I had so much information, guys. And it's like, I don't want you guys to go through that because I went through that. And it's not easy, you know what I mean? And there's so much information. There's so much like stuff, right? And it's not easy, right? So trading is a process. It takes time. It's obviously worth it. But it's always nice to have some sort of support and be a part of a community that, you know, provides value, right? So that's the whole purpose of my channel, has always been to be able to provide as much value to all my students, but also to all my subscribers that are a part of the family. So if you haven't joined the family, guys, please join us. And I invite you to join us if you'd like. So hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I go live. All right, guys, also comment below in the chat box if you want me to look for a pair for you or to overview a pair. Let me know. Also, send me a link to your trading view charts. If you have something that you want me to look, I can look at that as well too. And look over your charts as well, guys. GBP US, we broke below this level of support, so it's looking bearish for me. We are seeing those wick rejections here, so that kind of looks like it's holding some sort of a support. But to me, the fact that it broke these lows here, to me, it's still looking somewhat bearish. There's no support. We have to wait for price to actually kind of like range a little bit, form some sort of support and some breaks of these highs before we can start looking for buy setups. In the meantime, I don't see anything going for GBP US right now. Welcome, guys. Welcome. As more and more people are joining us, guys, just want to welcome you guys to our channel. Happy to have you guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Comment below who likes the music. It's a vibe, eh? All right, let's take a look at Euro USD. Wow. The euro's super weak right now. Nicholas, man, welcome, brother, welcome. Happy to have you. I know you're already a part of us, so I did already go over USD JPY. But right now, USD JPY, we're just kind of waiting for price to break these lows. So it's come to a major key level of resistance. We saw that strong push, right? So price has come, overall bullish sentiment, right? Came to this key level here. And so price is obviously reacting to this key level. There's also got to be some sort of an exhaustion, some sort of a break, right? Price has to exhaust, take a little break. I can't just push up forever, right? We are expecting price to pull back potentially, but we're waiting for that confirmation. If we go down to the 1 hour, we can kind of see a little bit more clarity here. We see that double top formation here. There's a double top formation, price broke below, and it's now retesting these highs. Only thing that I need to see is price break below these lows before we start kind of looking for that overall bearish sentiment and change of the direction of the market. And then once price fully breaks these lows, we can expect some good sells after this key level, break of that key level. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Please do me a favor and hit that like button. It's absolutely free, guys, and it supports the channel. Also, comment below. Comment below, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Comment in the chat box. Let me know if there's anything I could answer. If you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to look over, guys. You have me live right now. I'm going to stick around for a little bit more. We'll be here till probably around 8:15-ish. And then we'll call it a day. I might be here as well tonight. So as you guys know, obviously I am here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I also do come on lives sometimes in the evenings. So I believe today I'm going to be going live. It'll probably be around like 9:30, 10 pre-London. So also keep an eye out for that, guys. So let's go back here to Euro USD, guys, and kind of let's see what we can expect for price to do. So price broke below. We're on the 4-hour chart right now for Euro USD, guys. So you guys could see price actually broke below this support. So Euro USD is super bearish right now. And in fact, for price to break this level of support is quite significant. So what I'm kind of looking at, kind of like short-term, long-term, I'm looking for price to kind of pull back to this key level here. And if we see either two things could happen, either price it's a fake out. So price came here, broke it, and then it's just going to wick back up. We're going to see some heavy rejection, and then it's just going to go back in. Or price is actually going to continue going bearish, but it just needs to exhaust. It needs to take a little bit of a break, kind of like what happened here, right? You see that price came down, but then it had to exhaust, take a little break, and pull back. So I have a feeling that's going to happen around here. We're going to see Euro USD actually potentially pull back to this key level here before having a continuation to the downside. Welcome, everyone. We've got more people joining us, so thank you for joining us, guys. Let's go. Morning mindset, guys. God first, always. Consistency gets you results. What's your why? You're almost there. Don't give up. Remember your why. You got this. Sounds a little cheesy, but it's the reality of it, right? Same with the back one I have. Be kind, work hard, stay humble, smile often, be honest, travel everywhere, never stop learning, be thankful, and love always. Really important, guys. Actually, you know what? I don't even know why I don't even have my mic on, guys. What the heck? It's plugged in. Damn. I feel dumb right now. That way it's better. Hold on. I don't know. Can you guys hear me well? I think it's been plugged in this whole time. One sec. Guys, do me a huge favor and hit that like button if you're finding this video helpful or informative, or if you're enjoying the lives. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoy watching these lives, guys. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I can hear myself, guys. So yeah, so let me know in the comments below, guys, if you are enjoying these videos. And yes, I am live every single day, except the weekends. So yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking at in terms of USDJPY. That's kind of what we can expect, guys, for USDJPY right now. Let's take a look here. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Let's get this bread and butter, guys. Let's get this bread and motherfucking butter. Okay. All right, guys. So Euro JPY, let's take a look. Like I said in our previous live stream, you can see that price has just been ranging right now. We're not looking at any trending market right now, unfortunately. It's looking pretty choppy. But we could still take advantage of this, right? Within a ranging market, we want to always look for breakouts. But in this case, we can also trade within the range. Obviously, I don't advise it 100% because price could really kind of just do its own thing. So something to kind of keep an eye out, guys. All right, let's take a look here in the chat box. We got Mac the Red, Glory, Sir Pedro. Please, what time frame are you on? Okay, so I am currently on the 4-hour. I'm on the 4-hour time frame, my friend. What I'm looking at is just the overall direction, right? The reason why I'm on a higher time frame is because I just want to understand what price is going to be doing and where could price be potentially going, right? So that's why I'm on the higher time frame. And then I narrow it down to like the 30-minute before I start getting into a trade. Euro JPY could be a good sell. I mean, it's not my ideal type of trade, to be honest. So right now, like I said, the overall kind of direction, we're just ranging right now for Euro JPY. So no trades right now. I don't see anything like that. Price could potentially, just kind of looking here on the 1-hour, price could potentially come back up, retest these lows here. If we see some sort of heavy rejection here within this level, right, we can then expect price to continue downwards. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Thanks for joining us, guys, for another live stream. We are here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, let's change up the music. I wish I could put like my Spanish music, man. You can't because of like the copyright stuff, right? So it's not, I don't think we can. See if I can find. There's so many ads.
One sip from our customized filtration system will make you smile. So schedule a free water test to get started.
Okay, let's take a look here.
Smile.
There's more like laid back music. All right, guys. So welcome everyone that's just joining us. Welcome to our live stream. We are looking at a couple pairs right now. So if you're just joining us, guys, don't forget to subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you get notified. Also, feel free to follow me on all my socials. You can see everything, link in the bio as well. As you guys know, if you guys have already been a part of my channel for quite some time, you'll know that I'm just here to provide free value, guys, and as much value as possible. I do have some students that I do mentor, but again, I'm here to provide as much value to you guys as possible. So welcome to the family. If you've already been with us, I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. And if you're new, I'd love to be able to have you a part of our family. So Blessed Traders Academy is growing day by day, and we are happy and excited to have you guys join us. And so, yes, let's take a look at US 30. I love this. I love looking at US 30, and I love it when it works in our favor. And in most cases, it does. So, what am I looking at, guys? What am I looking at here? What can we expect? We can see that price has gone in our favor in this case. Now that we know that price has gone in our favor, now that we know that price went the way we predicted it, which is awesome, we can expect price to reject this level. And that's why you guys can see that I've already drew this key level here. Give me one sec. I usually don't use indicators, but it's always good to have an idea of kind of what the market's telling us here. So anything below this level, obviously we've gotten this huge bearish move. After a move like this, we could definitely expect price is going to start trying to pull back at least. We can start looking for sells, anything below this level here, anything below this key level. And I'm gonna put here in our notes, guys, anything below this level, anything below this level, we can expect sells, but we need breakup structure. We need breakup structure. It's a key level. Okay. That is for sells. We won't look for sells if price does not break this level, especially after a move like this. And as you guys saw in my previous videos, we did predict this was going to happen. Something to keep in mind, guys. We are looking for US 30 to potentially go up right now. We're not looking for any sells right now. Comment below, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Comment below. Let me know if you guys want me to go over any certain pair specifically. In the meantime, I will be going over pairs that I think are pairs that catch my attention, but I'd be more than happy to go over anything, even a chart. If you want me to go over your charts, I can do that as well, guys. So let's keep going here. Let's keep going. Man, my clock scared the crap out of me, man. It's got Amazon Alexa, and this thing just like listens to everything I say. It's kind of weird. Another day, guys. Another beautiful day, guys. So thank you for joining us. So yeah, we're expecting price to actually kind of pull back for sure. We're at a key level right now. We're not looking for any sells. We're not really in a trade right now, to be honest. US 30 is just ranging. And so what do we look for when we're ranging, guys? We're looking for a breakout, right? So price is just ranging, right? So we need break of structure to be able to potentially look for a pullback, some sort of like a double bottom. We need heavy rejection within these lows to be able to start looking for buys, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, so we'll wait some. So we got to wait for break of structure. We need to see price break this range before we even start considering this pullback to take place. In the meantime, guys, anything breaking below here, we're looking for sells. But again, we are at a key level of support. So we're not looking for sells right now anytime soon. Obviously, I pointed out there just so that you guys know and you're aware of understanding just the overall market structure. But it doesn't mean anything. There we go. See? So you guys saw too as well. Price did end up breaking below. And so we're looking, okay. Yep, so price is just ranging here within this level here. So anything below this level, and we can expect that actually, so anything below this level, we can start looking for sells. Yeah, see, that's a key level here, which I already have it drawn out here. Sofane Alem, hi everyone. Welcome, my friend. Welcome to the channel. Happy to have you. Anyone that's just joining us, welcome. My name is Pedro, and I'm happy to have you guys here. I'm happy and excited to have you guys join us. I'm here every single day, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I don't mean to repeat myself, guys. Obviously, we do get new people joining us every time, so I want to be able to welcome everyone and make them feel at home. Hey, Pedro, thanks, man. Hey, no problem, man. Like I said, my channel's focus is to provide as much value as possible, and I like to simplify things. And like I said, I'm here to support each and every one of you guys as much as I can. Because when I first started, like I said, I don't know if you guys know my journey or anything, but feel free to watch my other live streams that I have on my channel once we're done this live stream today. And feel free to watch my previous videos. You'll see my journey. I've been doing this for more than 6 years now. Both in crypto. Forex has been roughly around 4.5, going on to 5 years. But crypto trading, about 6 years right now. So yeah, it's been a journey. I've been able to we've been able to buy our first home. We were able to sell a portion of our crypto portfolio and be able to buy our first home in such a high market. So it's definitely a blessing. We're thankful to God because he's given us the opportunity every day to reach our goals and give us what we never thought could be possible. So yeah, definitely thankful for all the opportunities we get at each day as well too. So yeah, Thanks for commenting. Appreciate everyone just joining us right now. So yeah, that's what I've got for US 30 right now. We have to wait for some sort of breakout for price to kind of pull back, and we saw that we are at a key level right now. So support after a push that was pretty significant, and we also were able to profit and take advantage of this sell. Any charts you guys want me to go over, feel free to actually send me the link as well too in the chat box, guys, if you want me to go over any of your trades. And then we can kind of go from there. Like I said, gold's not looking like any sort of a trade. I just don't see it. So it's good. That's good. You don't want to be getting into forcing trades or getting into something that's not even worth getting into, and you're probably going to lose money. So only get into trades that have a good high probability. Also, don't risk money that you're not willing to lose. Again, Euro USD, we're going to wait for some sort of a pullback, hold support. Comment below, guys, if you guys are new to trading. Let me know. How long have you guys been trading for? Here, JPY. Yeah. Like I said, just going to wait for a pullback. I think we already did Euro USD as well. Yes, we did. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yep. It's going to do what I said. It's going to do exactly what I said. So you guys see how clean this panned out with Bitcoin? Yes, in the overall picture. Yes. Bitcoin. So what do I see here, guys? Obviously, this is good for you guys. If you guys just trade like Forex or whatever you trade, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Because this is technical analysis. We're trading price action, right? We're trading basic market structure. So it doesn't matter. You can do it with crypto. You can do it with Bitcoin, Ethereum. Doesn't matter. So, and this is how I was able to make some pretty good amount of money to be able to, like I said, we paid the down payment portion of our down payment for our house by selling the profits we made with Bitcoin. So definitely we are thankful for that, and we were able to pay off our cars as well. The wife was able to pay off her vehicle, her Mercedes, and we were able to pay off some debts that we had there at the time. So really thankful for that. And what does it come down to is it wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't gotten into this industry and understand kind of like the opportunities that there are, right? There's so much opportunities with trading. There's so much potential to make money in the markets and be able to make money wherever you are around the world, which is huge, guys. That's significant. Nicholas, been trading for a year now. That's awesome, brother. That's awesome. And keep at it. Don't give up. You've got a large community behind you. With us, you can count on me and the community that we have here. So Fane, I'm not sure if that's how I pronounce your name, but I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce it properly. Thank you for joining us, my friend. On gold, do you think if we break the support on the 15, 34 still can reverse to 31? Let's take a look. Let's see. Okay, so let's take a look at gold. So that's the 4 hour. And you said 15-minute? I wouldn't get on gold. Like, I wouldn't trade gold right now. If I were just to be completely honest with you, I would not trade gold right now. I would stay away from gold right now. I don't see a trade in gold. Like, all I see is just some sort of like slight double bottom formation. But this is the 15-minute chart, so that's pretty insignificant, right? It could just be a short-term push, and then price will just reject and then come back and stay within this range. So I would stay away from gold, 100%. If I will mention this though. So if we go back to the 1 hour, if we see price break below these lows, okay, then I could start looking for potential sells. If that does not happen, if price does not break below those lows, I will not get in the sell for gold. And right now, gold is, after a strong push like this, I don't want to even be looking or considering. After a strong push like this, I don't want to be looking or considering any more sells, because it did a far more beyond push than what we would have expected. And so price needs to kind of exhaust a little bit. It needs to take a little bit of a break. And here's what I think is going to happen with gold. I think gold's going to range for a little bit more before it actually pushes to the upside and pulls back a little bit, and could come back to these levels over here before actually continuing down further, or whichever direction it takes at the time. So right now, like I mentioned earlier, guys, gold is ranging right now. We are not looking for buys, and we are not looking for sells. And again, this is just my opinion, guys. I don't want you to think that what I'm saying is just because I'm saying it, it's 100% right. No. Or I'm wrong or whatever. I'm just trying to help you guys understand the reason why, right? You don't want to be looking for anything, because we are in a ranging market right now. Even on the 1 hour, you can see how it's just ranging. It's not doing anything. So we're waiting for a breakout. But even then, my overall bias on gold would be a potential buy. If it breaks out of this range upwards, I might start considering buys. But it's just going to be a pullback, most likely, right? Because if we go up to the 4 hour, right? We could see that was a huge, strong bearish push. We had that strong momentum to the downside. We came to this key level over here, which that's why it's reacting. That's why it stopped, right? And so we can expect price to come back to this level here, over here, and have price kind of react to this level here. So pull back to this level here, and then either retest these lows here and try and break it to go down further, or it comes to these levels here and it just pushes up, right? And we start looking for bullish setups. But we don't know until price does that, right? So hope that's helpful. With the way I trade, guys, and the way you're going to be able to be profitable, and you're going to be able to actually like have trades pan out in your favor. Sorry, it's kind of weird. But the way you're gonna be is by having that discipline, right? And so yeah, by having that discipline and everything. Man, we don't see what you are doing on your screen. Is it just me? Can you see it now? Like, is my mouse moving? Can you see that it's moving? But yeah, let me know in the comments if you can see it now. Do you see how it's moving like that? So I'm not sure if it's your screen or not, but guys, those of you that are just joining us, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So appreciate you guys supporting the channel, but not only supporting the channel, also joining our family and being able to learn each day, guys. I try to provide as much value as possible. So if you're finding this video informative, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. No, we are not seeing it. It's okay. Okay. No, we are not seeing it. Okay. You're not seeing my charts now. What about now? I just switched it to GJ. Do you guys see the charts? Thank you for the insights. No worries. No worries. That's what I'm here for. Guys, please confirm. Do you guys see my charts now? Zen Pip, what's going on, man? You too. Thanks for the shout out on Instagram as well, buddy. Appreciate it. Thanks for joining the family. Can you guys see? I just want to make sure. Are you guys able to see my charts? Right now we are on GBP JPY. No. Okay. Let me refresh this because this is okay. So I'm on gold. Sorry. Can you guys see the gold chart? Please comment below. Do you see the gold chart? No. Are you guys able to see now? We are on the gold chart. Just let me know in the comments, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We have a few more people joining us. Welcome to the channel, guys. Anyway, so I think it's good now. Are you guys able to see? I believe we're on the gold chart now. Please confirm, guys. Appreciate it. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So yeah, so like I said, gold, nothing. We just gotta wait it out, guys. Wait it out for gold, please. Don't just hop in. We need to see a break of structure here. We need to see price actually break out. Right now, it's just ranging. This means nothing to me right now. Okay. Please let me know, Nicholas, if okay, so I'm going to switch it back. I'm going to switch it back to GBP JPY. I'm going to put a level of support just randomly wherever. Actually, let's go to a pair that I haven't done. Let's say CAD JPY. Let's clear this charts. Can you guys see that I've cleared the charts? Let me go on the 4 hour. I want to see if you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So I'm going to put these levels and let me know if you guys can see that as well, guys. All right. So I'm going to put this level here. This is the level of support. Oh. Level of support. We've got level of support here too. I've got a top here. Sure. I mean, we're just putting it just to see if you guys see what I'm putting here. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We've got more people joining us. Thank you for joining our channel, guys. We are here every single day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. I'm also here in the evenings. I will, I think today I'm going to be going on live pre-London. So that's always fun in the evenings as well, too. But if you're wondering when I come in every single morning, Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So welcome. Make sure you join the family if you haven't. So I'm marking up the charts right now. I'm going to put this highlight here and see if you guys see that as well. So right now, here's what I see. For CAD JPY, we're on the 4 hour right now. I'm showing you the 4 hour chart, guys. You can see that price was actually kind of ranging. It's choppy. It's super choppy, to be honest. Not the type of market I want to be trading, but whatever. You can trade any market. If you're a trader, you'll be able to understand that you can play with it. You can kind of trade any markets, really. So, or understand at least kind of what the market could potentially do, right? No one knows exactly for sure. Market trading is all about probabilities, but you want to minimize your risk as much as possible, guys. Now, here's the thing. This is an area here that we could see, and this to me It could look like a break and retest of structure, but it could also be a fake out, guys. We don't know, right? So we have to wait for either a strong push, right? So we want to see, look, it could just be a fake out for all we know, right? Obviously it's kind of like, I would say it's more down here a little bit, right? But what we want to see is a strong push always. When we see the strong push, we know that the overall sentiment of the market is changing. And we're getting an example, a bullish sentiment, a bullish momentum. Then what we want to do is wait for some sort of a pullback. Exhaustion. The market's going to exhaust. It's going to take a break, right? Before continuing to the upside in this case, right? Now, we saw price range for quite some time here, right? And it looks like it's potentially breaking and retesting right now. If price holds this level of support, we are looking for potential buys. If price breaks below, we are back into the range, and it invalidates anything. It's not a trade or not a potential for trade setups. So nothing to look for here. Nicholas still not seeing it. Okay. Shoot, I don't know what's going on. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, okay. All right, guys. Just hang. Looks like it just hanging track. Yeah. Okay. So give me 1 sec. Hang in there, guys. Let's take a look here. I wanna make sure you guys are good. Let's try. Let's cancel this out, and let me just try to reshare my screen here. All right, let's try this again. How is that? Are you guys able to see now? Please let me know in the comments below, guys. Looks like a descending triangle. On the CAD JPR, we're talking? I don't see what you're talking about there. Count Chili, welcome, man. But not sure what you're talking about there. But let me know, guys. Are you able to see? Like, it seems like some people are able to see the charts, and some people are still struggling. I reset the system, so you should be able to see it. Yes. Okay. Perfect. It's good. All right. Good. Yes, on the 1 hour. Actually, I see what you're saying. Oh, shoot. It's good now. Okay, perfect. Nicholas, I'm happy to have you, man. That's good. You see how consistency gets you results? That's what I always say. It's my motto. I have it on here. Everyone that follows me knows that. Count Chili. Like, what type of chili? Like chili beans? I like the name. I'm feeling it. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Yeah, so where were we? Yes. Yeah, so we were within this range. Remember, we're looking for a breakout. So what we want to see is rejections within this level. If we start seeing rejections, we can start expecting price to push to the upside. In the meantime, I don't expect any sort of heavy movement right now for CAD JPY, to be honest. It's just going to be slow right now. It's not the type of pair I'd want to be trading right now anyways. But it's good to look at. All right, guys. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to go over any pairs. It is 8:07, so I'm going to be leaving within the next few minutes. But I'm super happy to have everyone. We had a great live stream today. So, yeah. This trade panned out perfectly as well. USD CAD, we know that USD has been pretty bullish lately. I don't see any trades right now for this, but you guys can see kind of our overall analysis that we had here. We did have that break of structure here. We had that break of the lows. Price did kind of retest before pushing to the upside. Overall sentiment, we did get that pullback. So what can I expect USD CAD to do? We can actually expect price to continue to the upside if we see break of structure here. We see that it is a key level here. So we've got like, look, we've price rejected it once, 1, 2, 3. This was kind of like a fake out. And then price is kind of retesting it right now. So if we do see price, either two things could happen. Price could come back up, create some sort of a double top formation, and then start pulling back up to this level again before continuing up. Or we could expect price to come back to this level and actually push further. We want to see, though, a strong momentum push before we can wait for that pullback here for retest and then continuation to the upside. Are you guys understanding everything I'm explaining? Do you guys understand why I'm not in gold right now? Do you guys understand that? Or are you guys able to understand the reason why we're not in gold? Let me know in the comments, guys. Also, let me know by hitting the like button as well, guys. Let me know if you found it helpful. So we are not on any trade right now for gold. USD JPY is super slow, but we have all the notes here. So when we come back tomorrow, we can take a look at this trade, guys. And that way we can look for some good potential setups. GJ as well, guys. Remember I told you I don't really see anything. We'd have to see price break this level here for any buys. In the meantime, we're still breaking. We're still bearish. But we are at a key level right now, so it's not, I mean, I don't see anything significant happening anytime soon with DJ. We're still ranging. So GBP odd, look for potential buys above this level, break of this level. Yeah, that's kind of what we want to look for. Like this is, to me, this is super choppy, guys. Like this is not the type of market you want to be trading in anyways. So it's just super choppy. Hopefully we could see some sort of like clean break of structure, and then we can start looking for some potential buy setups. In the meantime, you want to stay out of markets like this. Don't force the trade, guys. Welcome everyone. I do see some people joining us, so welcome to the channel. We are here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you are looking to take your trading to the next level, you're looking to join a community that provides as much value as possible, you've come to the right place, so welcome. Getting more people join us. Welcome, guys. Comment below, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. GBP US. Yeah. I think it's at a key level right now of support. It's, what can I tell you? Looking at the daily, it looks like price is starting to form some sort of a support. So we should keep an eye on it, but right now it's looking like it could potentially pull back up slowly. So it's going to range and consolidate within this area here for quite some time before we start looking for any buys for GBP US. I think once the British pound starts gaining strength, then we can start looking for buys on GBP pairs. In the meantime, right now, we're still kind of bearish. Also, we want to look for like double bottoms, like inverse head and shoulders. In this case, if we're looking for buys for these pairs on the higher time frames, so that that indicates to us that the overall sentiment and direction of the market is changing for that pair. Otherwise, it's just insignificant. Guys, any pairs you want me to go over, let me know. We're going to be wrapping up shortly. So if you have any pairs you want me to go over, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video informative, hit that like button and hit that notification bell and subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate having each and every one of you. And I will be here as well as tomorrow at the same time, every single day, Monday through Friday. Also might be getting in on a live stream tonight, pre-London session as well, guys. So keep an eye out for that. And the only way you're going to find out is if you're subscribed and you have the notification bell on. So keep an eye out. I will be not 100% sure yet, but I might surprise you guys and I might go live tonight, pre-London. So if you guys want to have a nice chill evening, chill night, well, for us here in Canada at least, chill evening or night, going over the charts, don't forget to join us. Let me know actually too, guys. I'm actually curious. Do you guys find that my mic is good? Like, are you able to hear my voice clearly? Because I believe I do have it connected right now. So let me know if you guys hear my voice nice and clear. We'll also look at this pair as well tonight, guys. USD JPY. We might get some moves. Asian session. Yes, we do have a little. We do have. No, we don't. No. We just have some. Actually, at 9:45, we do have some US news. So that might help kind of move the markets a little bit. So that's good. That's good for us. All right. Actually, you know what? I should just clear it out. Let's take a look at this one. 4 hour. Price was trending upwards. We got break of structure. We are at a major key level of support. So here's what I'm expecting for NAS 100. I expect the price to come to this level here. This is a level that I feel that price will come back to. But what we want to see, guys, is we want to see price form some sort of a double bottom or some sort of pattern that's indicating a trend reversal, or heavy rejection here before we can expect price to continue back up and pull back. We can expect actually price to pull back and exhaust after a push like this to this key level here before actually continuing down further. I think just by looking at it, guys, and this is the 4 hour chart, we've got some good sell opportunities in the future for US 100. Good potential sells for sure. This is more long term, but it's good to have like the overall sentiment, right? Because this is how you plan everything out properly. And again, right, it's looking at the probabilities. Looking at the probabilities. US 30, this was a good trade for us. We were able to profit pretty good. This was a good trade setup that we had. Anything below this level, we can expect sells, but we're not looking for sells right now for US 30 as well. Just because of the strong push that we had, we did have like that heavy bearish sentiment. So we're not looking for sells right now. We are looking for an exhaustion phase and pullback. So price is just taking a break. It needs to pull back after a strong push like that. Price just needs to exhaust a little bit, pull back, come back to this key level here before pushing down further. And we've got these notes here too that you guys can reference. Bitcoin as well, guys. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to pull back. It's formed this double bottom on the 4-hour. So to me, once we see price break this level high, we can expect price to continue to the upside and pull back to this level here before actually continuing to the downside. We are seeing actually Bitcoin create this sort of a wedge. So we can expect actually price to potentially come down to these lows. Let's look at Ethereum. Yeah, so Ethereum actually, Ethereum is also slightly bearish. So we're not looking for any buy setups at all. So on the daily, we can see Ethereum is holding its support right now at this level here. But if we see Ethereum break this support, we can definitely expect price to push to the downside. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Got a few more people joining us. Gold dropped. Awesome. Awesome. Perfect. So yeah, we see gold is starting to drop, but again, I won't be getting into anything, any gold trade, just because there's not a huge amount of pips that we can catch here. But could wick. Let's take a look here. Until we're in this range, guys, I mean, to me, it's just going to keep going within here, right? So, I mean, if price breaks these lows here, we can then expect price to come back down here, retest this. If it breaks that, then we can expect sells for sure for gold. Like I explained that earlier too. But right now, I wouldn't mess with gold. No. After a strong push like that to the downside, it's got to exhaust a little bit. What I think it's actually going to do, actually, now that we're looking at price kind of pan out, is it actually might form some sort of a double bottom, guys, right here. So, actually, yeah, so it will probably come down. Like, I mean, if you like to take that, it is a bit of a high risk trade. Obviously, that's not financial advice or anything like that. But if you would want to get in here, as price is potentially with gold right now breaking these lows, you could get in on a sell, technically, right now, right? But we got to wait. It could fake out as well, too, right? So there is a slight range here. I believe it's like 20, 30 pips here where you can make some quick profits. But again, we would have to go down to like maybe like the 15-minute here for some sells. So yeah, it's looking like sells here. For gold, we are potentially breaking the structure here. And so it could come down. We're targeting probably around this level here. Now, again, is it my typical type of trade? No. I mean, it's a little bit more higher risk right now. So I wouldn't personally advise it. But what I think it's trying to do right now, gold, is form some sort of like a double bottom. So if we go back up to the 4-hour chart, because remember what I told you guys, right? We've got this strong move that we predicted that gold would melt. If you look at my other live streams, guys, make sure you watch my previous live streams. It's good because it helps you study as well too. But if you look at my previous live streams, you'll be able to see I explained this before it even played out. And so what I think could happen here, because it is a level of, it is a sort of level of, a strong level, right, of support. So because it is a strong level of support, what I think could happen is that we could see some sort of a second rejection here. So a second candle formation rejecting here this level and forming some sort of a double bottom. And so that that means we can then start looking for buys, right? But yeah, it's probably going to form a double bottom. USDJPY retesting these highs. Look for buy setters break of this. They'll break and retest. Yes. Nothing for GJ. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Before I leave, don't forget to join us if you haven't already and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time I post and I go live. Thank you guys for joining us. And I will catch you guys next time. Also, I might be going on tonight, so keep an eye out on your notifications. I will be going live around 9:30, 10. So we will be doing a pre-London session. So yeah, I might surprise you guys. Thanks so much, guys, for joining us, and I will catch you guys until next time. Bye for now.